Hello and welcome to Engineering Deathmatch. We are here at Cisco Live 2018 in Orlando, Florida. I've got two contestants with us. We are doing our very first episode on Cisco DNA-Center. I've got Joel Sprague and Daniel Penaloza. So Joel, tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm a principal systems engineer at GDIT, just hit 10 years there and been in IT in general about 20 years. Trying to move a little away from just systems into more security and networking, and enjoying the best week of the year here in Orlando.
This sounds like a great way to move away from systems, like crash course here. So David, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, hello, my name is David, and I'm a network engineer mainly for data center environments, and I've been in IT, well, like networking like 8 years, maybe a little bit less. I don't have training for sure. And, well, let's see how it goes.
Great. Now, one thing that the audience may not know, this is the very first time you have ever touched DNA-Center. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So we're really going to get to see what it takes for somebody to kind of bootstrap themselves, start using the system, and start doing some configurations and get it going. You ready?
Maybe.
Yeah, I'm always ready to look stupid.
Let's Well, let's talk about the challenge really quick. We are helping out a regional clown hospital. They are opening a new hospital focusing on clown heart injuries, and they want you to use DNA-Center to build the site in their organization and deploy policy configurations and all sorts of good stuff like that. So, you ready to help the clowns?
Absolutely.
All right, let's get going, and we'll go. Go ahead and go to your spots, guys.
This episode is brought to you by Cisco. To learn more about how the automation and analytics features in Cisco DNA-Center can help your organization implement intent-based networking, visit engineeringdeathmatch.com/DNAC.
Okay, contestants, on your mark, get set, go.
Good. Okay, no. You go, man. Okay, so.
I'm looking forward to this challenge. I think it's going to be great. We're going to really get to see how DNA-Center works and how easy it is to use.
Latitude?
John and Tim in the booth. And Tim, we've got two first-time DNA-Center users. This should be interesting.
Yeah, absolutely. These guys are as green as unripe asparagus. I have no idea what they're going to be doing, so we're in for quite a show today.
It is a real address.
Huh?
Okay.
I have no idea. Latitude is required? You're kidding. Do I need to find this?
Take the... No, wait, I'm not helping you. Figure it out.
Oh, no.
No, get rid of the third floor.
Really?
Because the address database doesn't have floors, it just has addresses.
Damn. Yeah.
See, it auto-completes.
Oh, really?
Wow, I don't think we've ever seen this on Engineering Deathmatch. One contestant helping out another. What do you think about that, Tim?
I think they're confused. I think they're on the wrong show. It's Engineering Deathmatch, not Engineering Sisters of Mercy match. Get it together, Joel.
Maybe they're confused about helping out a clown hospital and they just think that they really should help everybody, but that is not what this is. You are correct.
So, John, what do the contestants need to do to win here?
Well, I'm glad you asked. So as we know, the contestants are using DNA-Center. The first thing they have to do is create a network design using the DNA-Center workflows. Then they're going to create a virtual network and define user and device profiles to build a security policy that can be pushed out to things like Identity Services Engine, the ICE platform. And then finally, they're going to use DNA Assurance to create dashboards to give administrators an insight to the health of the network. All right, let's check in with David.
Okay, well, about this challenge, I'm a little bit worried because I have never touched DNA-Center before. And the whole thing most probably is going to be a disaster. And I'm just, a little bit worried. Just having my IQ go down like 40 points if I start clicking. Let's see how it goes. I saw like one of the activities is some kind of dashboard. So, well, let's see. I don't have like kind of like the best idea about it. So, wait, assign site.
Medical guest nurse, doctor. Falling behind.
Interface name. What? I got into a problem.
I don't know what you're...
I have no idea.
You're taking the simple process and you're making it complicated.
Most probably I am, but...
Taking a simple process and making it difficult, that's the Engineering Deathmatch motto.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the exact opposite of what we want to do with DNA Center. So I think we've come full circle here, John.
Provision.
So, hold down.
Corporate.
Now, where's my controller, which I don't know where fine. Okay, enter profile. Profile is there.
So I see Joel has gone into the provisioning section. What exactly is he doing here, Tim?
Yeah, so here is where he's actually making the changes to the network. In this specific case, he's creating and assigning a wireless LAN network that's going to be servicing the building that he's assigned it to, the third floor of the building that he added to the inventory in the first step. It's an enterprise network. He's setting the services like DHCP, DNS, he's setting the security policy, and he's doing it all with just a few clicks.
Sounds good.
Here we go.
You've just talked a lot about DNA Center, so I'm just going to ask you, for our audience, why don't you tell us what exactly DNA Center does? It sounds like it's a lot.
DNA Center is an entirely new approach to networking that enables for the first time ever intent-based networking in the enterprise. What that means is we focus on the business intent, the results the operator wants to achieve from his network, and it treats the network as a whole. It does this by using two main parts, an automation platform and an analytics platform. The automation platform talks to the network, configures all the devices to deliver the intent. The analytics platform gathers all the telemetry from the network, listening to the network, and then confirms that that intent's been delivered. That's DNA Center, automation plus analytics to deliver intent-based networking.
Thanks, Tim. Now let's check in and see what our contestants really think of each other.
And about my opponent, well, I'm kind of jealous about his haircut, so he needs to lose.
My opponent, he showed up late, he's making jokes, he's gonna lose.
So I don't have a group here.
I think you just drag him. Drag groups over.
Yeah, but what if they don't exist?
What?
What
They
if
already
don't-
exist.
Nurse, oh yeah, nurse, doctor.
Again, why am I helping you? Hurry up.
Yeah, my bad.
Exactly, Joel. Why are you helping your competitor?
It makes no sense whatsoever. I've never seen a strategy like this. It's like maybe he's trying to fake him out, put him off guard, and get him vulnerable, but you know, to me, that's strike two, man. If there's one more of these, he's just got to be booted off this show.
I'm with you there. We've got to nip this in the bud and get all this helping out of Engineering Deathmatch.
Traditionally, this type of policy would be administered by IP-ACLs. They often run into the hundreds of thousands or millions of lines in an enterprise. But here, David is using scalable groups that will really allow this same policy to be administered in a more secure, more consistent manner across the network. He's pushing the policy out to ICE and the network devices, and then that intent that he specified here of who can talk to who is going to be delivered end-to-end without any holes in the policy anywhere.
Both of our competitors continue to push forward, but I have a feeling that we're getting close to wrapping this up.
Yeah, John, so why don't we check in on our contestants, see how they're doing.
Sounds good.
Looks like you're doing pretty good for the first time using it. Are you getting close to being done?
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, maybe he's closer.
Are you going to beat the pants off of Joel?
Probably not.
Probably not.
All right, well, I'm going to go talk to Joel now.
That wasn't a nice question, you know?
So Joel, how are you doing?
I think
How
I
you
might be
doing?
done. I'm confirming things now.
Okay,
You're not
confirm
helping,
away
Joel.
and then let us know when you're ready to check.
Okay.
So David's working on creating some access control policies, and you can see that he's creating one that's application based. What exactly are we doing here, Tim?
Yeah, so it's a little bit of a twist. So in the previous policy, it was simply all traffic between doctors and nurses, or guests and doctors and nurses would be blocked, whereas now we're becoming application specific, as you noted. So no SSH, no SFTP, and so we have a slight twist, a little bit more granularity to our policy, but again, extremely simple to administer and to push out in a cohesive, comprehensive manner without any holes being left over that would often be the case when this is done manually, and it's just done with a few clicks.
Sprague, I guess. But it's in a clone building.
I hate this Mac mouse and keyboard. Okay. Client health summary, client devices, client onboarding time. Can I drag them around? Ooh, I can. That's kind of cool.
Groups in the virtual network. I got into that point where I got the group and I saved. Okay, let me just go again. And virtual network, I have buildings. Okay, good. Save.
Here, let's even put them in order.
Am I blind or I don't see the policy administration?
Client device. I just want to fix that one that says I'm still trying to create the floor on the building.
Policy administration. Okay.
I'm a little bit worried about the dashboards. Depending on applications, I've had a lot of trouble creating dashboards and some esoteric queries to do them. I'm hoping more for drag and drop, just, pretty pictures.
So Joel, pretty pictures is what you wanted, pretty pictures is what you got. That's what DNA Center is all about.
Yeah, I'm done.
Damn it.
He's getting too close now. I can't mess with checking anymore. I just got to be done.
Congratulations, Joel. You have won our first DNA Center challenge. So how do you feel about it?
Good. A friend of mine works in the DNA Center team. I'm just glad I can still talk to him.
Sounds good. Well, you've won an iPad Pro from Cisco, so enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What? No, wait. I'm not helping you. Figure it out.
Oh, no. Blah, 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 blah.
If you actually read the error, you would know what steps you missed, but I just keep clicking OK and telling it to go away.
Yeah,
Ooh, what's that screen?
Don't go there. Just don't go there.